Good day, everyone. My name is Saketeiseimor Emmanuel. I'm a web development student here at Simtech Academy, and today I'll be presenting my first project, which is a landing page of a website, my own personal brand, the Lord Radar brand. Join me as I take you into my world. Now, we start with the hero section. This hero section contains the navigation bar. The nav bar has the logo, the LR, which stands for Lord Radar, the logo. And over here, you can see the nav items, the home, the about, services, and the contacts. Moving down, you see the hero image, the LRO, our brand, and a text under it saying Lord Radar, the pinnacle of editing. Enter my world. Now, just a brief inspo. This website, this landing page, is based on my own personal brand, which is more like an ecosystem connecting two or more departments together, but today we'll be focusing mainly on the editing aspect. Now, moving down from this hero section, we have the about section. This about section is just like a brief bio about me. I am Saketeiseimor Emmanuel, professionally known as Lord Radar, a passionate and driven graphic designer with over 2 years of experience, turning bold ideas into powerful visual realities. Design to me is more than just colors and shapes. It is emotion, it is identity, it is the silent voice of a brand that speaks before words ever do. Every project I take on is approached with intention, creativity, and an uncompromising commitment to excellence. Now, this is a bio telling you, the clients and also the viewers viewing my website, about me. Now, I'm a graphic designer with 2 years experience. I started my journey at NIIT. That's why I learned graphic designing, and for the past 2 years, I've been able to do some work and gain some accomplishments, which I'll be showing you and discussing about it today. Now, moving on from the about section, we go down to the service section. Now, the service section is a section that talks about the services I offer. We have the banner creation, photo editing, logo, and branding. Starting off, the banner creation. A great banner does more than inform. It stops people and demands attention. I design banners that combine bold visuals, strong composition, and a clear messaging to represent your brand powerful across any platform. As you can see, this is an example of a banner I created for a fellowship at my school, a campus fellowship, and I do so many more. Now, moving on to the photo editing. Every great image has potential waiting to be unlocked. I enhance photos with precision, improving lighting, color, and clarity while keeping the result natural, polished, and true to its original feel. This is a picture I edited for one of my clients, a good friend of mine, on her birthday. Something simple but yet professional, maintaining the natural feel of the picture. Logo and branding. Your logo is the face of your brand. I create clean, distinctive, and brand visuals built to communicate your identity clearly and leave a lasting impression across every platform. This is just a sample of the logo I created for a client. She shows the colors specifically blue and black, and this is her brand name, Ebbs. Now, moving down to go to the contact section. The contact section is the section that is designed for you clients and also the viewers to reach out to me, where I will give you feedback or response. Now, have a project in mind. Let's create something together. Get in touch. I am available for freelance projects and collaborations. Over here, you can see my mobile number, also my WhatsApp number, which you can use to reach me. Here is my email address. You can send me personal emails and I'll reply to you. This is my Instagram handle, Saketeiseimor, and I'll get back to you if you message me there. Now, this is a form you fill in case you want to send a message to my email. You input your name, your email address, and the message you wish to pass across. Then you click send the message, and the message will be delivered to me. Then I'll get back to you in no time. Just a bit below, this is the footer section. A simple but yet professional footer, maintaining our brand quality and color. Now, if you look to the if you look to the right, your bottom right, you notice a button there, the button that says top. This is a back to top button. Once clicked, it takes us back to the home section. That's one of the buttons. There are also other buttons here in the nav item. There's the home button, the About, Services, Contact. Now, these buttons, they take us to the different sections. It helps us navigate better when using the desktop. The About takes us to the About section. The Services takes us to the Service section. And lastly, the Contact button, it takes us to the Contact section. Now, this website was designed for both desktop and mobile viewers. I've shown you the desktop part, but join me as I take you so that you see how responsive it is on mobile view. If I inspect, now this is how it looks like on a mobile view. You see the logo, and here, over here, there's an hamburger button in place of the nav items. Now, this hamburger button, like the nav items does, it helps the mobile users to navigate through the different sections while using the mobile view. Now, moving down, you will see the About section, the bio about me. You will see the picture I use, the image, our services. This is how it displays on the mobile view. The services I offer, and the contact in which you can use to reach out to me and I'll reply you. And you can also see the footer section below, just below it. Now, going to the codes I used to create this website, I used HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript for the interactivity, like the hamburger button I showed us earlier on. Now, going over to my Visual Studio Code. Now, these are the codes I use. This is the index, the HTML. This is the CSS, which I use for styling the website. From here, you can see the header section. Over here, you will see the nav items. Moving down, you see the hero section. You will see the About section. Now, take note, I made use of my container, my row, and my column MD. This helps me to structure the website well. And these are the codes I used in creating the different sections for the landing page of my website. At the bottom here, this is the script, the JavaScript I use for my button, the hamburger button, to make it interactive. This is the JavaScript I use. Now, moving on, we have the CSS. Now, this CSS was used for the styling, the colors, the text, everything was styled by this CSS. You can see the columns for the structuring. Moving down, you can see the sections. We started with the header section. Going down, we have the hero section, followed by the About section. Now, all the sections, they are arranged and they are styled according to the way they were arranged in the HTML index. Now, these are the different sections and the styling I use to style the website. Now, moving back to the website for just one last view of what we created using the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript. Going back to the top, Lord Radar, the pinnacle of editing, enter my word. Now, my name is Saketeiseimor Emmanuel, and this is my landing page project. Thank you.